What if one of the most famous psychology experiments in history could never be performed today because it involved creating a fear response in an infant? This is the controversial story of the Little Albert study. In 1920, behaviorist John B. Watson wanted to prove that complex human emotions, like fear, were not innate but could be learned through environmental conditioning. He believed he could demonstrate that our responses are shaped by our experiences, a core idea of the behaviorist school of thought. The process involved a baby, known publicly as Little Albert, who initially showed no fear of a white rat. Researchers presented the rat to the child, and whenever he reached for it, they would create a loud, startling sound directly behind him. This was repeated several times. The conclusion drawn was that emotional responses could indeed be conditioned. After several pairings, the sight of the white rat alone caused the child to become distressed and attempt to move away. Furthermore, this learned fear generalized to other similar objects, like a rabbit and a furry dog. The experiment is deeply controversial by modern standards. It intentionally created a state of distress in a young child who could not possibly consent or understand what was happening. The lasting impact of this conditioned fear was never reversed, raising serious ethical concerns about the well-being of the subject. So, how does this apply to our daily lives? The principle of associative learning is powerful. It reminds us that our own reactions, and even our anxieties, can be shaped by past experiences where two things were repeatedly paired together, sometimes unconsciously. Understanding this can empower us to reflect on our own automatic responses. By recognizing where a negative association may have formed, we can take conscious steps to create new, positive experiences that help reshape our reactions, giving us more control over our learned behaviors. Please subscribe, like, and share this video.